Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to come here in the Synth app, okay, and you're gonna do the instructions. You're going to listen, just listen, and then when you do wishes, you're gonna click here. You're gonna listen to whatever I say, and after you finish listening, you're gonna click on this button here to answer the question. You speak it, okay? So how do you get here? So I'm gonna send in the group a link, and you're going to put the link in Google or click on the link, and the link will take you here, right? So what is very important, you have to pay attention. If you click here, you can listen, but then you can't answer. The first thing you have to do is click here, log in. You see in red here, log in, sign up. All right, so you have to click continue with Google. That's why I asked for a Google account. Then it's going to ask for somebody. Let me choose one here. I have many. Let me do this one. It asks for your password. You put your password and you log in. Okay. As soon as you log in, same thing. If you click, you can only listen. So what's important? You have to put the participation code. You see this here? If you don't put this, you cannot answer. All right. So you're going to click here. Participation code, I'm going to put in the group for you, and you click here. After this symbol appears, it means it's okay. Now you can answer. So you're going to listen to the instructions, click on wish. You're going to do just wish, just this one here, Unit 2, Lesson 2, wishes. You're going to listen. After you listen, you click here and you answer, you record, right? Your answer. So blah, 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 blah. And when you're done, you click next, next, next. And as soon as you finished, here you put your name, your name, and then you click save. All right?